Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs easier to peel. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need a large pot, a slotted spoon, and a bowl filled with ice and water. Ensure your eggs are at room temperature to prevent cracking when they hit the hot water. This preparation is key for a smooth process from start to finish, setting you up for success. Once your water is at a strong, rolling boil, carefully place your eggs into the pot. For large eggs, a cooking time of 10 to 12 minutes is ideal for a perfectly firm, yet not rubbery, yolk. It's crucial to keep the water boiling consistently during this period. This high heat helps to set the egg white quickly, which is a key factor in preventing the membrane from sticking. This step is absolutely critical for easy peeling. As soon as your eggs are done boiling, use a slotted spoon to transfer them directly into the ice bath. Let them sit there for a minimum of 15 minutes, or until they are completely cold to the touch. This sudden temperature drop causes the egg white to pull away from the shell's inner membrane, making it much simpler to remove. Now for the satisfying part, peeling. Gently tap the whiter end of the egg on a counter to crack it, then roll it between your palms to create many small cracks all over the shell. For the easiest removal, peel the egg under a slow stream of cold running water. The water helps to wash away tiny shell fragments and lubricate the membrane, allowing the shell to slide right off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.